Good morning, everybody. I am at Walgreens. I had too much gummy worms this morning. That's all I'm going to say. But anyways, I'm here to go shopping. I'm here to share with you guys some awesome deals. It's a little bit of a slower week. As far as I know, the Olay or the P&G deal does not exist that I know of. But otherwise, there is some great deals, a couple easy freebies, or we'll see how about that. I didn't see a lot of IBOTTA deals, which that is okay too, but I'm excited to share with you guys the deals, and let's go inside and have some fun couponing. So here we have the CoverGirl Face product. It is the concealer for $7.49. If you actually go to the app or the website, they have it for $6.29. It is currently buy one get one 50% off. So what you want to use is you want to use two $3 off face coupons for two of these products. You will end up just paying $3.43 for it. But then there is a deal where you get $3 back with IBOTTA. It's not going to focus. You get $3 back with IBOTTA, so you get $6 back total, making your final price for just this for two of these items a $2.56 moneymaker. Another moneymaker deal that you can do is the CoverGirl. We can get the eyebrow pencils. Those are $4.49 on the app. Otherwise, they are $6.79 at buy one get one 50% off. Or you can buy the eyeshadows. These are $5.79, but you can price match them to $4.49. So you want to buy both of them at $4.49 at buy one get one 50% off. Now you can only use one of the $3 off insert coupons that we have because Walgreens doesn't do overage, but I do have a $2 off CoverGirl digital coupon that I will be using. So I'm going to use that. For both of these items, you guys would pay $1.43, but then you can submit your receipt to IBOTTA where you get $3 back also. So you get $6 back with IBOTTA, making both of these a $4.56 moneymaker. Here's a deal if you guys like the Dove hand sanitizer. So these are $1.99. You want to buy two of them, you would end up paying just $3.98. But then there's a deal where you get 1,500 points for every two that you buy with Fetch Rewards, making your final price for two of them just $2.48 or $1.24. If you guys like that. There's also a deal where if you spend $20, you get a $5 reward. So depending on what other items you can get a $5 reward with that too. So here's another deal you can do is the Axe body wash for $5.49. Now they are currently buy one get one 50% off. My store shows that they're $7.59 in the app, but $5.49 buy one get one 50% off. They also include is the spend $20 get the $5 cash reward, so you can do it with a bunch of other deals. I might show a scenario if I get to that part. But anyways, I have a 6 off of 2 digital coupon that I can use. So you'll end up getting these for just $2.23 or $1.11 each. Now here we have the L'Oreal Elvive for 2 for $8. Now we currently have a 4 off of 2 digital coupon. Now from what I've learned is you guys have to get two of the same items. I know it sucks, but we have to get 2 of the same items for these digitals to work. So make sure you get 2 identical items. Sometimes it works with 1 shampoo, 1 conditioner, but from what I noticed, you have to get 2 of the same items. But anyways, we have a 4 off of 2 digital coupon, and then in the Walgreens booklet, we have a 2 off of 2 coupon for that also. So you guys would just get these for $2 or $1 each. So here we have 2 different scenarios that we can do for the Colgate Toothpaste. So with the Colgate Toothpaste is $3.99. Now make sure you guys scan your coupons because some of them are working with the $3 off of 2 and some of them are not. But anyways, you want to use a 3 off of 2 digital coupon. You'll end up paying just $4.98, but when you purchase the 2 Colgate products, you'll get a $4 cash rewards, making them 98 cents or 49 cents each. I would pass on that because we can get free toothpaste all the time. Otherwise, you can do the $2.99 deal. Now, I did scan some of the toothbrushes, and this deal only works for the toothpaste, but I scanned this one, and the Max Fresh and the 3 off of 2 digital coupon works for this one. It does not work for a couple other ones, but it does work for this one. So you want to buy 2 of the ones that are $2.98. Now this is a one or the other deal, and you're going to use that 3 off of 2 digital coupon. You'll pay $2.98, but then you get a $3 register reward when you purchase the 2 products, making it absolutely for free. Now here we have some Snuggle laundry care along with the All laundry care for $3.49. Now we did get some insert coupons for $1.50 off, so you guys will just get these for $1.99. But if your store carries the Snuggle shakes for $3.49, we actually have a $2 off insert coupon. You would just get this for $1.99, but my store is sold out, but still a good deal. Here we have the Palmolive dish soap for $2.49. We also have that $1 off digital coupon that you guys can use, making this just $1.49. So here we have the Arm & Hammer. These are 3 for $7.99 this week, making them just $2.66 each. Depends on if you want to do this deal, but a lot of people love the Arm & Hammer, so I just wanted to share with you on that. I'm going to continue doing this deal until it no longer resets on IBOTTA, but here we have the Compeed for $9.99. You want to use that $5 off insert coupon we got about 3 weeks ago. And then there is a coupon in the Walgreens booklet for $3 off. So you guys will end up just paying $1.99 for this. But then you can submit your receipt to IBOTTA for $5 back. It is a limit of 1. This comes out to be a $3.01 moneymaker. I'm doing this deal because I need some filler items with my register rewards that I have. So these are buy one, get one at 50% off for $2.99. You would end up just paying $4.48 for 2 of them. But there's an IBOTTA deal where you get $1.50 back times 2, making these just $1.48 or 74 cents each. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. We are here to do my Walgreens haul. Now, like I mentioned, I did the pen deal because I just wanted to use up some of my register rewards because I got a lot of them. So these were $2.99, buy one get one 50% off. You would pay $4.48 for it, but then you get $1.50 back with IBOTTA. So I got $3 back with IBOTTA, making these like 74 cents each. I'm giving a lot of these pens to my mom because she's always complaining she doesn't have any pens, and I'm just like, here you go. Here you go. I will be seeing her in a couple weeks again. Anyways, so yes, I did mess up on one thing, you guys. My store only had these 2. They only had these 2 Axe body washes. Make sure you are getting the same product for the digitals to come off. I will have to contact Walgreens on this, but I wasn't even thinking straight. It happens, but this is the only 2 that they had. Otherwise, I would have gotten 2 of the same scents. Somebody gets mad at me because I say flavors. It's just a joke. I'm trying to be funny. Flavors, it's not like you're drinking it. You're not supposed to. But I just say flavors just to be funny. So I'm sorry if I offend people when I say flavors, but scents. Anyways, these were $5.49 at buy one get one 50% off. You want to use that 6 off of 2 digital coupon. You would end up just paying $2.23 for these, making these just about like $1.11, $1.12 each, which I think is a pretty great deal. I missed a deal, so I had to do that. So I got the Colgate Toothpaste. Okay, I didn't have hardly any digitals of the Oral-B Crest. I didn't have any digitals for that, so I didn't really do that. But this is a great deal if you guys want to go ahead and do these. So these were $2.99. I scanned a bunch of different ones. These were the ones that were popping up to get the 3 off of 2 digital. So you'd want to use that 3 off of 2 digital coupon. You would pay $2.98, but then you get a $3 register reward, making these both for free. Now, I was just $1 away from Fetch Rewards, where I needed to spend like $1, like something, I think it was like $1.08 to get 1,500 points. That's $1.50 back. So this ends up becoming a $1.50 moneymaker for me. So make sure you guys are scanning your receipts to Fetch Rewards because you get points for that also. So that's what I do. I prefer using Fetch Rewards at Walgreens than CVS, because CVS I always have to override their receipts. So if you guys want to go ahead and do that, Now I went and got the same of the L'Oreal because of those digitals. I don't know why. They used to work just fine, especially with like shampoo and conditioner. But I noticed like last week I forgot to look and see if that $4 off digital even came off with one of the shampoos that I got, and it didn't. So I have to contact Walgreens for just not, don't even get me started on that. But anyways, these were 2 for $8. There is a 4 off of 2 digital coupon, and then there is a 2 off of 2 coupon in the Walgreens booklet, or you can clip it to your card. If you do clip it to your card, you can only do that deal once, but the booklet ends this week anyways. I think Saturday's the last day. But you get the both of these for just $2 or $1 each, which I think is a pretty great deal. So I got that. I got this easy freebie. Again, I'm going to keep doing this until I run out of rebates. I think I only have one more coupon left anyways. But this was $9.99. I used a $5 off insert coupon plus a $3 off Walgreens booklet coupon. Paid $1.99 for this, but then you get a $5 IBOTTA rebate back, making this a $3.01 moneymaker. So easy, easy, easy freebie. So I got that. I also got the Palmolive dish soap. Now, I'm going to tell you guys this. When you guys buy soap, especially like laundry detergent and soap, always make sure your tops are screwed on. There are times where this stuff is like come loose, and it was just like, yeah. So I'm just saying, I always try to make it a habit. Every time I grab the product, I put it in my bag. I always make sure I screw it tight because these are never tight. I don't know why. But these were $2.49. There is a $1 off digital coupon that you guys can use, making these just $1.49. So not the greatest deal, but in case you want to get some dish soap, I prefer Palmolive because I coupon for it more than I coupon for Dawn. So I don't know, but that's what I am doing. So here is an awesome moneymaker deal that you guys can do. Now, some of you will ask, did you use your employee discount? I did not do the employee discount for these 2 deals because of the overage, and so I just wanted to give you, anybody I have a lot of Walgreens employees that message me saying they love it when I show them deals, but I ended up doing the CoverGirl deal. So these were $4.29 on the app, so I had them price match it for this. I used one $3 off insert coupon, and then I had a $2 off digital coupon. The digital coupon did come off. There was no digital for this one, but there was a digital for this one. But so you would pay $1.43 for this, but then you get $3 back and $3 back with IBOTTA for CoverGirl, making this a $4.56 moneymaker. So if you guys need some overage, that is a definitely great deal. Then I got the concealers. These were $6.29 on the website. I had them price match it. I used 2 $3 coupons. These are buy one, get one 50% off. You would pay $3.43 for this, but then you can submit your receipt to IBOTTA where you get $3 back and $3 back, making this a $2.56 moneymaker. So that was pretty good with that. So that was everything that I got, you guys. I know it was kind of small today, but that is fine. It's kind of a slow week for couponing. Anyways, it is my birthday week, you guys. We are going on vacation tomorrow. We are going to Upper Michigan, to the very, very top of Upper Michigan. So I'm pretty excited to go on a little mini vacation. I definitely need the relaxation, but I will be back next week anyways. But my total came to $20.46. It should have been $6 cheaper because of that axe, but apparently that coupon did not work because I didn't get 2 the same items. Sucks, but I did receive only $3 of register rewards this week, which is fine because I have a ton of register rewards to use from last week. I'm still trying to figure out if I can use those P&G register rewards on anything. If you guys know, please let me know. But I only received 29 cents of points. With IBOTTA, I received $20.25. That is for the $12 for the CoverGirl. I got $5 for the Compede, and then I got $3 for the Zebra, and then I had a 25-cent any rebate. I don't think I'm going to hit that one bonus that is going on. There's a bonus where I need, oh, and they changed the app on me and I just don't like it. I have a pop quiz bonus where I need 39 rebates to get $10. I won't hit that because I'll be on vacation, so not a big deal, but $20.25. I will have Walgreens owe me $6 of points. I'll say that my coupon did not work, and they'll pretty much issue me $6 in points. And then with Fetch Rewards, I received 1,620 points, which is $1.62. My grand total came out to be a $10.70 moneymaker. I got everything for free and I made a profit, which I absolutely love. So make sure you guys are doing those money makers to get overage on anything else that you need that does cost money. Just saying. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. I absolutely love it when I get new followers. And I will see you guys next week. See you later. Bye-bye.